Hello, great viewers. This is HappyMaths on the platform. I have an interesting question here on quadratic equation. Now, I want to use first method. You agree with me that if you expand a plus b squared, this will give you a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Please, if you are coming across our video for the first time, hit the subscribe button for more notifications. Now, let's move. Now, I want to take this as a, then b, meaning that a will be s squared plus then 2 times a, which is the same thing as an s, times 10, which is b, plus then the b will give us 10 all squared equal to 100. Now this will give us s squared plus 2 times s times 10 will give us 20s plus 10 squared will give us 100. Let's transpose this 100 to give us 100 equal to 0. 100 negative positive will go. So we are left with s squared plus 20s equal to 0. Now if we solve from there, let's factor out s here. S squared divided s plus 20 equal to 0. Recall that ab equal to 0 is the same thing as a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. So let's take this as s as a. S is equal to a equal to 0 or second bracket plus 20 equal to 0. Therefore, s is equal to 0 or s transpose positive equal to minus 20. This is the first answer. Then for the second method, now let's come in. Let's take the square root of both sides. This will give us s plus 10 equal to plus or minus, because square means equal to 100. Or better still, square will remove the square root, so s plus 10 equals to positive or negative 10. Now, from here, we can conclude that s plus 10, let's move positive to be negative 10 equal to 0, or we have this again, s plus 10, let's move negative to be positive equal to 0. Negative positive will go. S will give us equal to 0 for this. S equals to 20. This is positive and transpose becomes 20. This is the second one. Hit the subscribe button and follow us for more. Bye.